New York, the number of coronavirus patients in US hospitals breached, on Thursday, the highest level in 8 months, according to the Department of Health and Human Services, as a resurgence of COVID-19 spurred by the highly contagious Delta variant strains the nation's healthcare system. US COVID-19 hospitalizations have more than doubled in the past month. Over the past week, more than 500 people with COVID were admitted to hospitals each hour on average, according to data from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The United States reached its all-time peak for hospitalizations on January 6 when there were coronavirus-infected patients in hospital beds, according to a Reuters tally. As the vaccination campaign rapidly expanded in early 2021, hospitalizations fell and hit a 2021 low of, on June 28. However, COVID-19 admissions rose suddenly in July as the Delta variant became the dominant strain. The US South is the epicenter of the latest outbreak, but hospitalizations are rising nationwide. Florida has the highest number of COVID-19 hospitalized patients, followed by Texas and California, according to data from the US Department of Health and Human Services. More than 95% of intensive care beds are currently occupied in Alabama, Florida and Georgia. The Delta variant, which is rapidly spreading among mostly the unvaccinated US population, has also sent a record number of children to hospital. There are currently over confirmed and suspected pediatric COVID-19 hospitalizations, according to HES. 3 states, California, Florida and Texas, amount to about 32% of the total confirmed and suspected pediatric COVID-19 hospitalizations in the United States. Children currently make up about 2.3% of the nation's COVID-19 hospitalizations. Kids under 12 are not eligible to receive the vaccine. The country is hoping for vaccine authorization for younger children by autumn with the Pfizer Inc. vaccine. Anthony Fauci, the nation's top infectious disease expert, said this week that the nation could get COVID-19 under control by early next year if vaccinations ramp up. Adblock test why?